live without you. I thought it was just a matter of time till I had 100 reasons not to think about you. But it's just not so. Everything that I can to get my heart to forget you, but it just can't seem to. I guess it's just no use, and every part of me is still a part of you. I still got your face painted on my heart, scrawled on my soul, etched on my memory, baby. And I've got your kiss still burning on my lips, the touch of your fingertips, this love so deep inside of me. I still got your face painted on my heart, painted on my heart, painted on my heart. Something in your eyes keeps haunting me. I'm trying to escape you, and I know there ain't no way